PDF Split PDF Chmap. Need to break a large PDF into smaller, manageable files? PDF Champ's PDF Split feature makes it fast, flexible, and precise. PDF Split lets you divide a single PDF into multiple files. Split by page range, every in pages, bookmarks, or file size. Perfect for extracting sections, organizing documents, or preparing PDFs for sharing. Use it for email size limits. Split large PDFs to meet attachment restrictions. Extract pages. Get specific pages from a larger document. Chapter separation. Divide books or manuals into chapters. Document organization. Break large reports into manageable sections. Why use PDF Split? Email-friendly file sizes. Selective page sharing. Better organization for large documents. Faster loading in PDF viewers. Step-by-step guide. 1. Open PDF Split. Launch PDF Champ and open PDF Split from the Basic Tools tab. 2. Select PDF file. Select the PDF you want to split. The total page count will be displayed. 3. Choose Split Method. By page range, extract specific pages. Every in pages, split into equal chunks. By bookmarks, automatically split at bookmark locations. By size, split when file reaches a set size. 4. Configure options. Set output folder, file naming pattern, and any other options depending on your split method. 5. Review and split. Review your settings, then click Split PDF to start the process. 6. Completion. Once complete, your split PDFs will be saved in the chosen folder with automatic naming. Split your PDFs easily and efficiently with PDF Champ's PDF Split feature.